Gather up all of the crew, it's time to ship our Binks' brew. Sea wind blows to where, who knows, the waves will be our guide. Over across the ocean's tide, rays of sunshine far and wide. Birds they sing of cheerful things in circles passing by. Bid farewell to Weaver's Town, say so long to Port Renown. Sing a song, it won't be long before we're casting off. Across the gold and silver seas, the salty spray puts us at ease. Day and night to our delight, the voyage never ends. Gather up all of the crew, it's time to ship our Binks' brew. Pirates we eternally are challenging the sea. With the waves to rest our heads, ship beneath us as our beds. Hoisted high upon the mast, our jolly Roger flies. Somewhere in the endless sky, stormy winds are blowing by. Waves are dancing, evening comes, it's time to sound the drums. Steady men may never fear, tomorrow's skies are always clear. So pound your feet and clap your hands till sunny days return. Yo, yo.
What a perfect, highly intelligent prehistoric dinosaur.
Of the crew, it's time to ship our Binks' brew. Wave goodbye, but don't you cry, our memories remain. Our days are but a passing green, everlasting though they seem. Beneath the moon we'll meet again, the wind's our lullaby. Gather up all of the crew, it's time to ship our Binks' brew. Sing a song and play along for all the oceans wide. After all is said and done, you'll end up a skeleton. So spread your tail from dawn till dusk upon these bony seas. Yo, 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 yo.
For this episode tonight, we're going to draw Pachycephalosaurus. One of the Cretaceous herbivores. Based on its body design, Pachycephalosaurus used its skull to defend itself from enemies. If one of them gets near them too long, it defends itself with its long, with the club on its skull that it uses to protect itself. He charges at the enemy and bangs them away. He also does this with his opponents. Well, his rivals, actually. Which is kind of interesting, if you ask me. Well, I mean, they can be... protected when it comes to mates and their own club, their own team. I mean, these are prehistoric. I mean, these guys have been around since, well, the day that they were first discovered. I mean, I know a few Pachycephalosaurids like Stygimoloch and Prehistoric. Pachycephalosaurus was one of them. Oh yeah, I also forgot to mention Dracorex. Interesting, huh?
ship our brings his brew. Sea wind blows to where who knows the waves will be our guide. Wide birds they sing of cheerful things in circles passing by. Bid farewell to Weaver's Town, say so long to Port Renown. Sing a song, it won't be long before we're casting off. Cross the bowl and sail the seas, the salty spray puts us at ease. Day and night to our delight, the voyage never ends.
Basically, this guy, this is what he looks like when he's in attack mode.
Pirates we eternally are challenging the sea. With the waves to rest our heads, ship beneath us as our beds. Hoisted high upon the mast, our jolly Roger flies. Somewhere in the endless sky, stormy winds are blowing by. Rings are dancing, evening comes, it's time to sound the drums. Steady men may never fail, tomorrow's skies are always clear. So pound your feet and clap your hands, the sunny days return. Yo, yo.
Alexa, what is Pachycephalosaurus?
Sorry, I don't have an answer for that.
Sorry for that. Alexa, what is Pachycephalosaurus?
Sorry, I don't have an answer for that.
Crew, it's time to ship our drinks as brew. Wave goodbye, but don't you cry, our memories remain. Our days are but a passing dream, everlasting though they seem. Beneath the moon we'll meet again, the wind's our lullaby. Gather up all of the crew, it's time to ship our drinks as brew. Sing a song and play along for all the ocean wide. After all is said and done, you'll end up a skeleton. So spread your tail from dawn till dusk upon his bony seas.
There we are. There he is. Well, look, we're not going to stop there. I think we should draw what it looks like when it's standing upward. Yeah, that would make it more interesting. Alexa, what is Pachycephalosaurus?
From enchantedlearning.com. Pachycephalosaurus was a plant-eating dinosaur that had a very thick skull and may have lived in herds.
After all, what better way to draw them with two geniuses? After all, you can never have too many geniuses. I've always wanted to draw Pachycephalosaurus. I needed a place to do that. What better way to do it than outside? There we are. And done. There he is. I mean, there they are. You know, there was a kind of theory where I thought that Pachycephalosaurus had spikes on its back, on the back of its head, but maybe it didn't. Let me just erase the spikes on the back of its body. There he is. And finished. That is how you draw a Pachycephalosaurus. They look great. Anyway, that's all for now. Have a genius day.